Today we're gonna make this creamy, delicious chicken Alfredo. To get started on making our chicken Alfredo, my kids' favorite dish, we're gonna start here with a nice big skillet, high heat. I'm gonna add in some olive oil so we can cook our chicken. Now I've already cooked a pound of pasta. You can use your favorite pasta, fettuccine, linguine, spaghetti, whatever your kids will eat. So we've already made that, and that's ready to go. So now we're gonna add in our chicken. So while our chicken's cooking, we're gonna season with a little salt and pepper. So now that our chicken is cooked, I'm gonna take that and put it on a plate. I'm gonna set it aside so we can make our creamy sauce. So for our sauce, we're gonna add butter. I'll let this melt. And we're gonna add in our garlic. You can smell the garlic, the fragrance from the garlic. Butter is completely melted, and now we're gonna add in our cream. Heavy cream. And our chicken base. Now let this cook. Season it with a little salt and pepper. So now we have our sauce on simmer. I'm just whisking it together, and we're gonna whisk in our Parmesan cheese. Let that cook for a couple minutes, and then we're gonna add in our pasta. So we've cooked our sauce. You can see it's getting a little bit thick, which is perfect. And now we're gonna add in our cooked pasta. So it can soak up all the sauce. It smells nice and cheesy. My kids are gonna love this. Let that cook. Now we're gonna add our chicken back to our dish. Mix that in. Look at this perfect dinner and some fresh parsley. And this is ready. Dinner is served. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com, and don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products.